can a machine think and learn like a human? This intriguing question has sparked a technological revolution, leading us to the era of artificial intelligence, or AI. Take the healthcare industry, for instance. AI has made leaps and bounds in this sector, transforming the way we approach patient care. Consider the case of DeepMind's AI system that has been trained to detect over 50 eye diseases as accurately as expert doctors. This groundbreaking technology has the potential to revolutionize early detection and treatment of eye conditions, ultimately improving patient outcomes. Not just healthcare, AI has also made its mark in the world of finance. In the fast-paced stock market, AI-powered algorithms are now predicting market trends and making investment decisions. A case in point is BlackRock's Aladdin platform. It uses AI to analyze billions of data points daily, providing investors with invaluable insights and risk assessments. Even in the realm of entertainment, AI has been a game-changer. Take the example of Spotify's Discover Weekly playlist, a feature that uses AI to curate personalized music suggestions. It analyzes listening habits, favorite genres, and even song elements to create a unique playlist for each user every week. But what about the creative arts? Surely AI can't replace a human artist. Well, think again. OpenAI's MuseNet, a deep learning model, can compose music in a variety of styles and genres. From classical to pop, it can generate a 4-minute song in just a few seconds. Despite these impressive advancements, it's essential to remember that AI is a tool, not a replacement for human intelligence and creativity. It's also crucial to consider the ethical implications of AI, such as privacy concerns and potential job displacement. In summary, the impact of AI is far-reaching and transformative. It has the potential to revolutionize healthcare, finance, entertainment, and even the creative arts. However, it's crucial to wield this powerful tool responsibly, ensuring it benefits humanity without compromising ethics or privacy. So as we stand on the precipice of this AI revolution, the question is no longer if machines can think and learn like humans, but how we can harness this technology to create a better, more efficient, and more creative world. Thank you for joining this exploration into the power and potential of AI. Remember, the future is not written, but with AI, we have a powerful pen.